So it's day 47, October 9th, 2009. And now there's a big hole in the moon. So I'm driving to school right now, and apparently my friend just said they did it last night. I don't know if they did it last night or if they're gonna do it tonight or what. But NASA's supposed to be bombing the moon, like shoot a giant missile at the moon to make it explode. I don't know why. Apparently they just want to see what happens. And isn't it the moon that controls, like, the ice caps and, like, all that stuff? Tide levels, isn't that controlled by the moon? So what if you blow a fat hole in it? How is that going to affect everything on Earth? I don't know. I really don't. But it's been said that this is going to cause a lot of stuff that happens in 2012 where the Aztecs predicted a giant natural disaster occurring, wiping out all of mankind, something. I don't know the details on that either, but I do know that it's supposed to be happening in 2012 sometime, and great job NASA for helping me. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm on the way to school, so I have to drive, and then I'm going to go home and probably go to sleep again, because it's another early day, and I shouldn't be up this early. So, I will see you guys a little bit later. I gotta get ready for tomorrow, Saturday, still, pack up some equipment and stuff, so, see you later.
Making the most of your life. Well, now it's time for you to pay the ultimate price. The device you are wearing is hooked into your jaws. When it goes off, your mouth will be permanently opened. The game is simple. Match the correct keys to the correct locks to light up your row. Do this quicker than the two friends you'll be playing against, and you'll survive. Unfortunately, they won't. The clock is ticking. But unfortunately, you did not pass your test. Goodbye.
That's what happens when you try to record it while you're doing it. You fail.
But there will be needing adjustments both of them. And also we're gonna have a sound check too, so as soon as they're there, we'll sound check really quick just to adjust everything. I was gonna ask
this
another
whole
question.
stuff
Is she gonna be performing with the guitar or
got a lot of freaking equipment, a lot of stuff. We're setting it all up, getting ready for the show.
like half of it?
Only half?
Yeah.
Look, the rest is over here. And we're going to get more right now. We got some lights and stuff, speakers. It's going to be a huge show.
Oh,
so let's hope we do good.
All the wireless kids.
Oh, dude, yeah, all the wireless kids.
Stacked
We're running like 8 of these bad boys. It's going to be intense.
It's like 3 G's right there.
I know, huh? In our amp case. So it's really late. And I'm tired, so I'm going to bed now. We got everything ready for tomorrow. We're just worried about the sound, since we don't have a big mixing board. We're going to have a lot of mics. But we'll see. RCS time. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave me 5 stars. 5 good comments. That would be really tight. Jeez, I'm really tired. Twitter.com/TailsMedia for all your Tails Media needs via Twitter. Don't forget. And also Facebook.TailsMedia.com. No, my nose itches. Anyway, this has been Adventures with Tails. Tune in tomorrow for equally as interesting, if not more interesting. Well, definitely more interesting adventures tomorrow. With me. I'm going to sleep now, right here. Because I'm like, nodding out here.